Aw man, the septic tank is backed up. Time to call Billy with ASAP Advanced Septic and Drainage.
If this has ever happened to you, you know that your septic system is no laughing matter. At ASAP Advanced Septic and Drainage, we provide the best in septic service and installations. Our services include septic tank pumping. We keep septic tanks clean and clear for both residential and commercial customers. Drainfield Installation. If you need a completely new drain field, we can install a new one at your location. Septic Tank Installation. Turn to the experts to install a new system at your current or new property. At ASAP Advanced Septic and Drainage, we can handle it all. After servicing your septic tank, we can check for holes or draining issues. If any problems are found, we can bring them to light and offer possible solutions. ASAP Advanced Septic and Drainage is professional, clean, and fast when it comes to replacing your entire septic system. Feel free to give Billy a call today, 813-986-6070.
What's his name again? That's Billy with ASAP Advanced Septic and Drainage. Thanks, Billy.